Right, we're looking at the 6 questions in 4 minutes. This is the 6th out of the series. I like this format. I've seen one student do this, and it's actually quite good. That student will remain anonymous. The name starts with A. That's the only clue you're going to get. Right, okay, let's crack on. Set the timer, try it, and then we'll talk through it. Right, okay, so you've got a rectangle here. It's W wide and 3 W's long. Now what they're saying is if W equals 5, what is the perimeter? So what you quickly do is you replace W here with 5, and 3W, remember we said 3W means 3 times W. Okay, so it means 3 times 5. So this bit here is 15. And now the quickest way to do it is 15 plus 5 is 20, and then double it. So that becomes 40, whether it's centimeters or meters. So for example, if this was 5 centimeters, it would be, the perimeter would be 40 centimeters. If it was meters, this would be 40 meters. Okay, right, let's move on. A class has 30 students. The ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 2. Now, I add 3 and 2. So this is the easiest probability question you're gonna get, this type, yeah? So you add 3 and 2, you get 5. So we know there's 5 parts. Okay? And then what you do next is you do 30, that comes from there. 30 students divided by the number of parts, and the answer is 6. So what you do is you do 3 times 6, 18, and 2 times 6, which is 12. So we want to know how many boys there are, and the ratio is of boys to girls 3 to 2. So there's 18 boys. There's 18 boys. Is that okay? Right. Now, this one, how would you do this? There's £45. That needs to be shared in the ratio of 8 to 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So what we do is this 5, each part is worth 5, so we do 8 times 5 is 40, and then we do 1 times 5, which is 5. So the ratio is 8 to 1, which is 40 to 5. There you go. Right, let's look at this one. Abid and Amy share some money in the ratio of 4 to 5. Now this is a slightly different question. Abid receives or gets £20. So let me start here. 4 to 5. Abid and Amy. Right. Abid gets £20. We want to know how much Amy gets. So we know this £20 is equal to 4 parts. So what we do is we do 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So we know each part is worth £5. How many parts does Amy have? She has 5 parts. So there's 5 parts times £5. The answer is 25. So Amy gets £25. Abid received 20. Right. Next one. Work out the perimeter. The perimeter. Right. With this shape, with a shape like this, or like this, remember the shortcut. You add 2 full sides, 5 plus 5, and then you double it. So it'll be 5 plus 5. So this is all going on in my head. 10. And then I double it. Multiply it by 2. So the perimeter is 20. Remember, it's meters, not square meters. Meters. Perimeter is plus. Right now, what we have to do is work out the area. So look, this is going to be the inside. So what we can do is let's use, what color should we use? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, well, you can do it, let's do it the traditional way. So I want to work out this area. Don't get confused by this 5. It's this 5 here times this 3. So our first area that we're looking at is 5 times 3, which is 15 square meters, or meters squared. Now I'm gonna get another color somehow. Shall we use that? No, let's use that. Okay, no problem. Now I'm gonna work out this. Can you see this bit here? 2 wide, 4 tall. So I'll do 2 times 4 equals 8 meters squared. So the total area is 15 plus 8 is 23 meters squared, or square meters. Right, okay. That's enough for now. So you can practice these questions on your own. I can give you a bonus on the next video without revealing the answers. But anyway, that should be enough for now. Well done.